Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching how to fix tech. In this small video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the meter connection on your Windows 10 and 11 version. So whichever version you are using, go to connected icon here, click on that and click on network and internet setting. Open it. Once you open it, you should see you are connected to the network option. Go to its properties and scroll it down and look for this option set as meter connection. So make sure you turn on this option. If it is off, you need to turn it on. Once you turn it on, your internet consumption will be less and you can save your data after that. So this is the first way to open the meter connection properties. If not, go to this option, have a network setting, or you will see this option network status. Click on that and you will load in a same windows. Okay, so this is how you can turn on the meter connection on your Windows 10 and 11 version. So hope this video is useful for you. If this video is useful for you, hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching how to fix tech.